coffee and milk and everything built up over the last 2 years.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Paying for quarter this, so.
So all that time it was blocking
Yep.
to build up. Wow. Shit. Oh, it's faster now. Do you think it's gonna come up now? So where's that water going? I mean, where's that all going though? Oh wow, oh wow. Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up. No, it's
Guys.
not. When you pour that down, it was like, wow. All right. Have a look at this. Look. Oh, you missed it.